In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow healthy lophu just like this, but very quickly, so you can really have the best food this Losar. Dashidele, welcome to my channel Himalayan Dumplings. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kiki and I share Tibetan recipes both old and new. I share my videos in English with the hope that non-Tibetans can also easily understand and appreciate our Tibetan cuisine as well as our culinary heritage. The video today, however, is going to be a quick tutorial on how to grow healthy lophu, which is right in front of me. Because Losar or Tibetan New Year is right around the corner, this is one of the main items that makes up our dirka, which is a special altar that we built for Losar. So let's get started. The first step is to soak our wheatgrass seeds with room temperature water. Use twice as much water as your seeds because it will absorb all of that overnight. This step here is actually very important. Make sure the pot you're using has at least one hole. This is needed for drainage purposes, that's why. Now I'm pouring in the soil. What I'm using is a potting mix that I bought from the local gardening store. You see, as I'm pouring the soil in, I'm patting it down gently. You don't have to make it very compact. Now you go ahead and spread into a thin layer with the soaked seeds, the seeds that you soaked overnight. Yeah, go ahead and make them into a thin layer. Spread it as evenly as you can. So growing up, my family used to use a thin layer of cotton to trap the moisture and help the seeds germinate. Here I'm simply using a paper towel to do that. Indirect sunlight will help your lophu grow, so be sure to place your pots wherever you can catch that sunlight indoors, especially if you're having winter, just like we are here. Day 2, make sure your paper towel continues to stay nice and moist, so be sure to water it with room temperature water twice a day. Day 3, you will see a lot more of those little white roots sprouting out. That's the morning when I remove the paper towels. And of course, be sure to water it again using room temperature water, yes. Day 4, now that the paper towel has been removed, you will notice a lot more growth. And from here on, your lophu will just keep growing faster and faster. Be sure to start planting your lophu by the 1st of February. So if you haven't already, you definitely want to purchase your pot with a drainage hole, some wheatgrass seeds. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to start on your day chung as well. I've shared a really easy step-by-step recipe on how to make chanku. So go ahead and check that out and stay tuned for more Losar related tutorials and cooking videos. Losar tashidile tuchena.